What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will tear down the ITEL A25. Let's remove the back of the phone, and here we have battery and 16 screws holding the back plastic. Let's remove the screws. All the screws were removed. Let's remove the back plastic holding the motherboard and components in the place. Here we have back of the phone. Let's remove the battery. The battery is ITEL battery. Its capacity is 3020 mAh. Let's keep the battery aside. And here we have motherboard. Let's remove the screw holding the motherboard, and there are two ribbons holding the motherboard in the place. Let's remove them, and it is a motherboard itself. At the back we have the charging port and the headphone jack to listen music, and we have front facing camera. It is VGA camera. Let's remove it like a Lego. And at the front we have rear facing camera. Let's remove it like a Lego. It is 2 megapixel camera. Itself it's a motherboard. Let's keep that aside. And we have antenna here, antenna which we can use to make calls. And at the bottom we have speaker, bottom speaker, and at the top we have earpiece. Let's remove the earpiece. It's not coming. It came. It is the earpiece. Let's keep all the stuff back at the place. Let's keep the motherboard in its place, and two Lego styles ribbons, and the front facing camera. I have forgotten to put the front facing camera. Let's keep that front facing camera back at the place like a little Lego. It's back at its place. Now we will keep the back camera, 2 megapixel camera. It is also like a little Lego. Now let's keep the antenna back at its place. It is the antenna. Let's keep that. Now let's keep the back plastic holding the motherboard in its place and some components in its place. And now let's put the battery, and now we'll fix it with the screws and keep the back glass. Okay guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is Ganesh and you're watching Ganesh Tech in English.